Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of sustainable business models within strategic management. As organizations face increasing pressure to balance profitability with environmental and social responsibility, understanding how to build a business that lasts is more important than ever. In this video, we'll explore what makes a business model sustainable, why it matters, and how strategic management plays a crucial role in shaping long-term success. Let's start by defining what sustainability means in a business context and why it's become a central focus for leaders worldwide. Sustainable business model goes beyond just making profits. It's about creating value for all stakeholders, customers, employees, communities, and the environment, while ensuring the company's long-term viability. This approach integrates economic, social, and environmental considerations into every aspect of the business. By doing so, companies can not only survive but thrive in a rapidly changing world. Let's look at how these elements come together to form the foundation of a sustainable business model. Strategic management is the process that guides organizations in setting goals, making decisions, and allocating resources to achieve long-term objectives. When it comes to sustainability, strategic management ensures that environmental and social goals are embedded into the company's vision and operations. This alignment helps businesses anticipate risks, seize new opportunities, and maintain a competitive edge. Let's explore how strategic management frameworks can support sustainable business practices. Sustainable business models rest on three core pillars: economic viability, social responsibility, and environmental stewardship. Economic viability ensures the business can generate profits and grow. Social responsibility means treating employees, customers, and communities fairly. Environmental stewardship involves minimizing negative impacts on the planet. Together, these pillars create a balanced approach that supports long-term success. Let's break down each pillar and see how they interact. Economic viability is the foundation of any business model. It's about generating enough revenue to cover costs, invest in innovation, and reward stakeholders. Sustainable businesses look beyond short-term profits, focusing on long-term financial health. This might mean investing in new technologies, building resilient supply chains, or developing products that meet evolving customer needs. By prioritizing economic sustainability, companies can weather market fluctuations and remain competitive. Social responsibility means considering the impact of business decisions on people, employees, customers, suppliers, and communities. Sustainable companies foster inclusive workplaces, support fair labor practices, and engage with local communities. They also listen to stakeholder concerns and strive to create positive social change. By building trust and goodwill, businesses can strengthen their reputation and attract loyal customers and talented employees. Environmental stewardship is about minimizing harm to the planet while maximizing positive impact. Sustainable businesses reduce waste, conserve resources, and invest in eco-friendly technologies. They may adopt renewable energy, improve energy efficiency, or design products with lower environmental footprints. By taking responsibility for their environmental impact, companies can reduce costs, comply with regulations, and appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. Triple bottom line framework encourages businesses to measure success not just by profits, but also by their social and environmental impact. This holistic approach helps companies balance competing priorities and make decisions that benefit all stakeholders. By tracking performance across these three dimensions, organizations can identify areas for improvement and demonstrate their commitment to sustainability. Engaging stakeholders is essential for building a sustainable business model. This means actively involving employees, customers, suppliers, investors, and communities in decision-making processes. By understanding their needs and expectations, companies can develop strategies that create shared value. Open communication and collaboration help build trust, foster innovation, and ensure long-term support from key partners. Innovation is a driving force behind sustainable business models. Companies that embrace new ideas, technologies, and business practices can find creative solutions to social and environmental challenges. This might involve developing green products, adopting circular economy principles, or rethinking traditional supply chains. By fostering a culture of innovation, businesses can stay ahead of the curve and unlock new growth opportunities. Strategic planning process helps organizations set clear goals, assess their environment, and develop actionable plans. For sustainable business models, this process includes evaluating social and environmental risks, identifying opportunities for positive impact, and aligning resources accordingly. Regular review and adaptation ensure that strategies remain relevant in a changing world. Sustainable business model starts with a clear vision and mission that reflect the company's commitment to long-term value creation. Leaders must ensure that sustainability is embedded in the organization's core purpose and strategic objectives. This alignment guides decision-making and inspires employees to work towards shared goals. Understanding the external environment is crucial for building a sustainable business model. This involves analyzing market trends, regulatory changes, technological advancements, and societal expectations. By staying informed, companies can anticipate challenges, identify emerging opportunities, and adapt their strategies to remain competitive and responsible. To succeed sustainably, companies must assess their internal strengths and weaknesses. This includes evaluating resources, skills, culture, and operational processes. By understanding what they do well and where they need improvement, organizations can focus on building capabilities that support long-term sustainability. Setting clear, measurable objectives is key to implementing a sustainable business model. These objectives should address economic, social, and environmental goals and be aligned with the company's overall strategy. Regularly tracking progress helps ensure accountability and drives continuous improvement. Allocating resources effectively is essential for achieving sustainability goals. This means investing in people, technology, and processes that drive positive impact. Companies must balance short-term needs with long-term priorities, ensuring that resources are used efficiently and strategically. Sustainable business model thrives in a culture that values responsibility, innovation, and collaboration. Leaders play a key role in shaping this culture by setting expectations, recognizing achievements, and encouraging open dialogue. When employees are engaged and empowered, they become champions for sustainability throughout the organization. Strong value proposition is at the heart of any successful business model. For sustainable businesses, this means offering products or services that deliver economic, social, and environmental benefits. By clearly communicating these benefits, companies can differentiate themselves and attract customers who share their values. Understanding and responding to customer needs is vital for sustainability. Today's consumers are increasingly aware of social and environmental issues, and they expect companies to act responsibly. By listening to customers and integrating their feedback, businesses can develop offerings that meet demand while supporting sustainability goals. Sustainable business models extend beyond company walls to include the entire supply chain. This means working with suppliers who share your values, ensuring ethical sourcing, and reducing environmental impact throughout the production process. Transparent, responsible supply chains build trust and resilience. Circular economy is a powerful concept for sustainable business models. Instead of the traditional take-make-dispose approach, circular models focus on designing out waste, keeping products and materials in use, and regenerating natural systems. This shift can drive innovation, reduce costs, and create new revenue streams. To ensure progress, companies must measure and report on their sustainability performance. This involves tracking key indicators related to economic, social, and environmental outcomes. Transparent reporting builds credibility with stakeholders and helps identify areas for improvement. Various frameworks and standards guide companies in reporting their sustainability performance. Examples include the Global Reporting Initiative (GRI), Sustainability Accounting Standards Board (SASB), and integrated reporting. Adopting these standards ensures consistency, comparability, and accountability in sustainability disclosures. Sustainable business models require proactive risk management. This means identifying and addressing risks related to climate change, resource scarcity, regulatory changes, and social issues. By integrating risk management into strategic planning, companies can protect their reputation and ensure long-term resilience. Leadership commitment is essential for embedding sustainability into business strategy. Leaders set the tone by articulating a clear vision, allocating resources, and holding the organization accountable. Their commitment inspires employees and signals to stakeholders that sustainability is a top priority. Engaged employees are key to driving sustainability initiatives. Companies can foster engagement by providing training, recognizing contributions, and encouraging participation in sustainability projects. When employees feel empowered, they become advocates for positive change both inside and outside the organization. Collaboration with external partners such as NGOs, governments, and industry peers can amplify sustainability efforts. By sharing knowledge, resources, and best practices, companies can tackle complex challenges and drive systemic change. Strong partnerships help scale impact and accelerate progress. The business landscape is constantly evolving. Sustainable companies are agile and adaptable, ready to respond to new challenges and opportunities. This might involve pivoting business models, adopting new technologies, or entering new markets. Flexibility is key to long-term success. Technology plays a vital role in enabling sustainable business models. Digital tools can improve efficiency, reduce resource use, and provide insights for better decision-making. From data analytics to automation, technology helps companies achieve their sustainability goals faster and more effectively. Innovating products and services is a powerful way to drive sustainability. This could mean designing products that use fewer resources, last longer, or are easier to recycle. Service innovations like sharing platforms or product-as-a-service models can also reduce environmental impact and create new value for customers. Educating customers about sustainability can increase demand for responsible products and services. Companies can use marketing, labeling, and storytelling to highlight the benefits of sustainable choices. Informed customers are more likely to support businesses that align with their values. A strong reputation for sustainability can set a company apart from competitors. Trust is built through consistent actions, transparent communication, and delivering on promises. Companies with trusted brands attract loyal customers, talented employees, and supportive investors. Sustainable business models can drive strong financial performance. Companies that manage resources efficiently, reduce risks, and innovate often outperform their peers over the long term. Investors are increasingly looking for businesses with credible sustainability strategies, making it a key factor in attracting capital. Compliance with environmental and social regulations is a baseline for sustainable business. Staying ahead of regulatory changes helps companies avoid penalties, protect their reputation, and gain a competitive advantage. Proactive compliance can also open up new markets and opportunities. Sustainability is a global movement shaped by trends like climate action, resource scarcity, and shifting consumer expectations. Companies that understand and respond to these trends can position themselves for long-term success. Staying informed about global developments is essential for strategic planning. Let's look at a real-world example of a company that has successfully built a sustainable business model. This company integrates sustainability into its core strategy, invested in renewable energy, and developed products with lower environmental impact. As a result, it gained market share, improved its reputation, and delivered strong financial results. This case shows that sustainability and profitability can go hand in hand. Building a sustainable business model isn't always easy. Companies may face challenges like high upfront costs, resistance to change, or lack of expertise. However, with strong leadership, clear goals, and a commitment to learning, these obstacles can be overcome. Persistence and adaptability are key to long-term success. Sustainability is a journey, not a destination. Companies must continually assess their performance, learn from experience, and seek new ways to improve. Regular feedback, benchmarking, and innovation drive ongoing progress and help businesses stay ahead of the curve. The future belongs to businesses that embrace sustainability as a core strategy. As technology advances and societal expectations evolve, new opportunities will emerge for those willing to innovate and lead. Companies that prioritize sustainability today will be better positioned to thrive tomorrow. Let's recap the main points. Sustainable business models integrate economic, social, and environmental goals. Strategic management provides the framework for aligning these goals with company vision and operations. Success depends on leadership, stakeholder engagement, innovation, and continuous improvement. By embracing sustainability, companies can create lasting value for all. If you're a business leader, start by assessing your current business model and identifying areas for improvement. Engage your team, set clear sustainability objectives, and allocate resources strategically. Foster a culture of innovation and continuous learning to drive progress. There are many resources available to help you build a sustainable business model. Look for industry reports, best practice guides, and online courses on sustainability and strategic management. Networking with peers and joining industry groups can also provide valuable insights and support. Encouraging innovation at all levels of the organization is crucial for sustainability. Create an environment where new ideas are welcomed, experimentation is supported, and learning from failure is valued. This mindset will help your business adapt and grow in a changing world. Recognizing and celebrating achievements in sustainability motivates teams and reinforces positive behaviors. Share success stories, reward contributions, and highlight the impact of your efforts. This not only boosts morale but also inspires others to join the journey. Thank you for joining this exploration of sustainable business models and strategic management. By integrating sustainability into your strategy, you can build a resilient, responsible, and successful organization. Remember, the journey to sustainability is ongoing. Keep learning, adapting, and striving for positive impact. The future of business is sustainable, and it starts with you.